they are observing 1 billion rising. Women's organizations all over are having some meeting action to highlight the issues of women. So in Goa, the women's organizations decided that we will call on the DGP, the police, because instead of just having meetings and talking about issues, we wanted real action happening on the ground. So representatives of various organizations, we had sought an appointment with the DGP and he gave us an appointment today. And we put forward the issue that whenever we used to have problems, we used to come to the police station, and one protocol for women and children was started some years back. It was a practice that every month, then it became 2-3 months, meeting used to be called by SP Crime, and all the women's organizations used to be called, the PIs used to be called, and other stakeholders, and the issues were resolved. Now this meeting has been discontinued after the COVID times, and so it is. We have been putting letters after letters to restart the meeting of the stakeholders, which did not happen. So today we personally came to meet the DGP, and we gave him showed him the copy of the protocol for women and children, police protocol for women and children, wherein steps were worked out with the police and the organization. So DGP Alok Kumar was very cooperative, and he welcomed the suggestion of having this meeting. And DIG Varsha Sharma was called, and she was directed to have a meeting with the women's organization and start the process again. So now we have met DIG Varsha Sharma. So we met in a cabin, and the women PI was also called, and we have decided that a WhatsApp group will be formed of women's organization and police officer. Ma'am DIG Varsha Sharma will be part of the group. So any complaints we have or any issues we have at the women police station, or not only women police station, any police station regarding women cases, we will be reporting on that group. Secondly, the QR code the police has already released, where you can give a feedback of any issues that people are facing at the police station. So that QR code also we will be accessing. Specifically to deal with individual cases and the issues that are coming up, a meeting has been called on 25th February in the February at the police conference, headquarters conference hall. So the police and the women's organizations will meet, and we will discuss the issues that we are being that women are facing at the police station to resolve.
So these meetings will be held now regularly, which you were saying.
Yes, this is we proposed, and we agree that it will be held. So which police officer will call, all those detailing, the DIG will be overlooking.
Thank you. Thank you.